Looking for creative ways to edge your garden? Wondering how you can give your garden that extra flair? Garden borders and edging don't just define spaces, they add character and style. So let's delve into 5 unique ideas that can transform your garden into a picturesque landscape. First on our list is the classic brick border. This design offers a touch of traditional charm, adding warmth with its rich, earthy tones. Its durability ensures longevity, while its versatility complements various garden styles. This timeless option gives your garden a neat and organized look. Next up, we have the rustic wood border. A natural choice, it's marked by its raw, unpolished edges, bringing an earthy appeal to your garden. Its unique character can effortlessly accentuate your plants, creating a harmonious balance. This border brings a rustic charm that complements any garden style. Our third pick is the decorative stone border, followed by the vibrant painted border. The decorative stone border, with its natural appeal and durability, can add a rustic charm to your garden. It's ideal for those who prefer a more organic look. Next, we have the vibrant painted border. This colorful option can inject a sense of fun and personality into your space. It's a great way to express your creativity and make your garden truly unique. These borders are perfect for those who love to add a creative touch to their gardens. Last but not least, we present the recycled bottle border. A clever and eco-friendly option, this border repurposes empty glass bottles into a vibrant and unique edge. By placing the bottles upside down along your garden's perimeter, you create a beautiful mosaic that catches the sun's rays. This innovative border is not only eco-friendly, but also a great conversation starter. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration.